All right, guys. I was thinking it'd be cool to head over to Elite Finish. They got some cool cars there today. And just kind of check out what they got going on, show you guys some of the cars, and yeah, why not? So we got a new dog. What's up, Jasmine? She's a rescue from South Korea. And then we got, I showed you guys on another vlog, but we got Jackson over here. Later. I'm leaving. Bye. Bye. So Elite Finish is 28 minutes away. All right, let's go. SEMA be like, just got some new wheels, you know, deep dish, step lip. Don't you guys love it when the person in front of you avoids bumps too? Because then you can immediately see when there's like a big ass pothole in the road. Because the person in front of me right now is like, boop, and I'm like, thanks, bro, I appreciate it. All right, we're here. I think that one. What's up, bro? All right, guys, look what we got here. So we got a brand new 2020 Supra. It's kind of loud in here, but you guys are gonna have to deal with it. There's some minor things on this. We got Wes. This is brand new, so it's in pretty good shape, right? Oh yeah, I see it. You got some. So is that wash damage or?
Yeah, that's wash damage.
Interesting.
So paint's not too bad. This is an acrylic, so they scratch really easily. The paint only has like a few little scratches kind of here or there. So yeah. we just have to do a light paint correction on this, nothing crazy.
All right, what else are you guys doing to it? Coating?
Yeah, so after the full paint correction, then we're gonna go ahead and get all final polish, put Sequart's Finest Reserve. And then this, the owner of this vehicle is a kind of a longtime friend, a huge supporter of us. So I actually taught him how to ceramic coat his wheels. So those are done. We're gonna take care of the calipers for him. You can see there's just kind of like, there's a lot of brake buildup already, brake dust buildup. And then they just kind of look a little dingy. So we'll get them all cleaned up, looking beautiful, get them coated, get all this coated inside of here so it's easier to clean.
Sweet. What do you think of these cars?
You know, I have to say I really like the car. I really only have one aesthetic gripe, and that is that because they were trying to go off with a, I forgot it was the concept or whatever, I forgot which car.
The FT1? FT1 I think it was?
So that didn't have a lens, right? So it had this straight LED going through here and then just the separate bulb. So it looked really cool like that. As soon as they added a lens, it just looks funny. I wish this were just
like they cut it off.
Yeah.
Like yeah, I get what you're saying. No,
like when the girls try to make the point come in this way. This is a pretty normal project for us where it has really just some light damage from the factory / dealership just washing the car incorrectly. So we're going through doing like light to moderate paint correction, get it polished up, and then we're gonna protect it with Sequart's Finest Reserve. So we've already done all the prep. It's been washed and clayed, and we just started polishing. So found a nice little combination here with Shine Supply Classic Cut and an orange foam pad on the Bigfoot 15. So let's have some fun.
looks pretty nice right there. Overall, can't complain about it. Definitely a cool car.
I have a feeling that when this badge got installed, oh man, there's like impacts and scratches. Huh, that's weird. Big old gouge and a scratch right there. That's really unfortunate. Probably when this badge was being installed, they maybe used some sort of a tool or something. So that's gonna take a little extra work.
All right, guys, I'd say the new Supra looks pretty good. I mean, it definitely reminds me of a Z4M. Even the OEM wheels that come with it kind of look like a Z4M. Like they have like the double spokes that are together, and then I think there's 5 all around of those. But I don't know. What do you guys think of Elite Finish today? Comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video. I'm gonna head and drive the E92 a little bit, and then we'll close out this video. Decided I'd take the fun way home through the canyons. All right, setting the camera up on something, hoping it doesn't fall right now, but set it for a little pass by. All right, guys, that's gonna conclude today's vlog. I'm currently sitting in rush hour traffic, but that's it. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, and then of course, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notifications for new videos. All right, see you guys in the next one.